Hello everyone, today we're making tacos, which my younger daughter really loves it. So I tried to find the beef chick but couldn't find it, so I found this really nice joint, a braised joint, beef joint. So I'm gonna make a very nice barbacoa out of it. So it's very easy, simple, and tastes really nice as well. Nice and soft. Alright, this barbacoa has been cooking for almost 8 hours and it's really soft now. And if you want to try it, it's really soft. It's really soft. There you go. We decided to use a blue corn tortillas. I just wanted to try. I've never tried it before, so I just wanted to try it as a how it does taste. And we've got mozzarella cheese, some thinly chopped coriander. If you're American, you call it cilantro, and thinly chopped onions. Obviously, we got this beautiful barbacoa, which I can't wait to taste it. I'll leave the link below down there just to try it. Yeah. I'm gonna open this. There you go. Looks nice. There you go. I'm gonna put some barbacoa here. I'm gonna let this one be there. Put some barbacoa. This looks nice. There you go. Look at that. I'll put it over there. Alright, I'm gonna add some onions. See? And then some salsa. There you go. And a little bit of cheese.